Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. November 29, Friday again. End of the November. Well, was a nice month. We cannot complain. Everyone will say October, well, November was a good month. Nothing to complain about. No? Morning, Andrei. Morning, Sebastian. Morning, Cătălin. Hey, Hania. Hey, Bucur. Morning, Hanif. Well, let's start with Bitcoin. As usual on daily. Let's see what we have. Last couple of days we are consolidating below big, fat, round number. The biggest number ever, 100k. Yeah. Hey, Dipson. So, as we anticipated, that's an important level, and market has to fight to accept above that level. If we'll accept above that level, then we have other targets. But for the moment, that level is behaving like a resistance. Nothing unusual with that. So, for the moment, we are in kind of a range below 90, above 90 and below 100. You can see it here. We are fighting this level. If we are looking at house levels from this W, next target is 110. But we have to accept above 100. As we anticipated, it will not be easy to accept above this level. All indicators, well, we have bearish divergence on RSI, which is a warning sign. People, bearish divergence doesn't mean the market will go down. Bearish divergence means that the market is not as strong as we see on the chart. It's just an indication that maybe if we get a structure, if we get more reasons, we can see a top there. So for the moment we have a divergence on RSI. Nice one, clear one, yeah, in the overbought area. So on daily, well, I could see the market breaking down to test some lower levels. Why not? But for the moment, let's enjoy this range. Everyone was bearish yesterday. Yeah, well, Thanksgiving Day, usually Bitcoin will drop. Okay, that's done. Market didn't drop, didn't do anything. It's still possible to drop. Well, I think it's probable from now on to correct even more. Maybe I'm wrong, who knows? But was no event here, at least from my perspective. So let's see what is next. I'll say it here and I'll say it over and over again. Set your limit orders on altcoins on weekly chart. Buy the retest of the W's. Don't ask, well, it's possible. People, we are talking crypto. Of course it's possible. Well, I should sell. No, you should not sell now. You should put a limit order to buy more at the weekly W retest. Is that hard? It's pretty easy. Keep your bags, but if the market will dump to that level, you'll have the limit order there and you'll load more altcoins at a nice level. Simple. Now let's continue with this overview. So Bitcoin on daily, nice, clean. We kind of have a range here. If you go on lower time frame, we are in a short reload zone, but we'll do that when we'll get on 1 hour, 4 hour charts. So overall, okay. Ethereum, like we discussed yesterday, AB equals CD still in play. Nice uptrend channel. Overnight, slow down a little bit. You can see it slow down a little bit on lower time frame. We can see that Ethereum versus Bitcoin is retracing a little bit, but daily I still consider this one a valid uptrend channel. Yeah. Maybe equals CD here, and then another one could push us to the all-time high. Depending, after we reach this target, how low we'll consolidate, we can reach this one, or we can behave like a resistance here. We can just stop below the all-time high. Level by level, step by step, And I kind of like Ethereum here on daily. Nothing to complain about. Bitcoin dominance. I was hoping for a bounce. No bounce for the moment. But in the same time, we are in a kind of support area here. So it's still possible to get my bounce here? Yeah, I think so. If it will not happen and will slowly bleed down, I'll not be upset. That's for sure. But usually the market is bouncing and retesting from below, is retesting this level. Ethereum versus Bitcoin, like I said 1 minute ago, it's retracing a little bit. It's consolidating. Oh, I don't know if I'll get my nice W, but something. I should get something here. Anyway, let's put it here now. Okay, don't be bearish here. If the market will drop here, don't be bearish here on Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Total market cap, well, Bitcoin sideways, total market cap sideways, not bad. It's possible to do this AB equals CD I was talking yesterday, yeah. If we'll accept above this level, we'll create a new high and we can push higher. If we'll aim out here, we can go back down, test some levels and then push higher. But anyway, it's looking strong, it's looking bullish, I like it. Total 2, still in the short reload zone, but similar price action here. And total 3 is recovering, is trying to do more than usual. AB equals CD, you can see it's pointing out above the all-time high, which is not bad. Yes, strong, but because yesterday stock market was closed, well, nothing happened. Let's see, it's Friday. Will happen, will make a new high today? I don't know. But anyway, consolidating below the all-time high is not bearish. We are trying to create a new high here. Let me zoom out. We are trying to create actually a new all-time high. Because every time we make a new high is the biggest one. So higher highs and higher lows. If the market will reject here, we'll go in a range here. Considering a range. If we'll create a new high, then we are still in a trend. Basic stuff, simple stuff. I don't know why people are trying to overcomplicate things and rename the setups. Same concepts, just rename them and well, you invented something. No, you didn't. DXY, well, it's testing the support now, 105.5, but overall, I still think we are between this level and 110. We'll have to wait and see. I'll not go on this list, weekly Ws. I don't think is the case. I think I added 2 more. Yeah, this one. Let's put weekly. You can see what I see here. W breakout retest. This will be a nice level to buy some if we come back. I think so. So look at it. Classic breakout. Nice. It's exactly what you want to see. Confirmation. And then you are patiently waiting for a retest. Simple as that. So this is a new one from the list. And I think combo is the another one. Well, this one, it's kind of at entry. No? If you take the entire consolidation and the entire W, well, this kind of looks like an entry. Up to you. Not a financial advice here. Just a stupid trader talking what sees in the market. And I think we can even think about an LJ here. Can you see it? Look at it. Well respected. Give me a clear W and set to go. So, not bad. Someone said Aptos. Let's take a look. Maybe it looks okay. I don't know. I'm on weekly chart. Too high. This is a big monthly W from now on. This one already did that, what we are waiting for most of the coins, Jamie. You can see W's, breakout, retest here. It's pushing higher now. If Bitcoin will do something bad, will drop 10k in a day or something, maybe it's still possible. We are talking crypto, it's still possible to get a retest here. But technically speaking, the retest is done and market is pushing higher. So I could see something like this. Yeah, but textbook uptrend channel or an uptrend, we should take $10 here. Yeah, that's pushing higher, stepping here and this area, and then pushing higher. Having a limit order lower doesn't hurt, but it's done. What we are waiting on, the entire list here, it's already done on Aptos. Okay, request at the end. So that's my list here. You can see RAN, it's below entry, but it's looking attractive. I know, yeah, it's Binance will delist it. Yeah, I know. Don't buy it if you don't like it, please. Peer, same concept. Yeah, it's a new one. I don't think I spoke about Peer. Yeah, W, kind of, not the best W, but you get the idea. Yeah. Breakout, retest. This one has some potential. I like it. 50 million coins out in total. Yeah. So why not? You'll have to patiently wait on this one. Yeah. Honestly, I just added a bit lower, I think. I just added to my position. Just, well, let's buy more. I'm still in the risk management, but I like this one, so I bought a little bit more. I'm close to my 4% limit on this one. Okay. So that's what we have here. If you want to, I could share this list, but you know the list already, you know the coins. Maybe Monday I will take a look again on them one by one to see where we are. After we'll have the weekly candle close. I think we can do that. Now let's see the day trading part. We are day traders after all. Well, I'm on 1 hour. I could go on 4, but because it's Bitcoin, I could stay here. We shorted this one. We still have 50%. It's a hedge. It's not a usual trade. Different position size. Different reason to take it. You get the idea. I explained multiple times. We long the 61.8 with a mountain man. I still have the shark here. I don't know why I don't. Well, I'll put it when I'll see the market dropping. And you can see we pushed higher in the short reload zone where we had the target for our trade. We booked the profit 2-1. Well, at least 75% from that trade if you don't want to close it entirely. And then we are just lagging here. I could see the market rejecting from a short reload zone and pushing back down. Yeah, possible. Thanksgiving is done. All your friends bought Bitcoin. Damn close to 100k. Well, it's time to punish them. And you to look bad again. At least for a short period of time. No? I think that's that's usual. People don't speak Bitcoin on these occasions. Don't speak crypto. Don't speak about crypto on this. Bring your close friends here. We should teach them how to trade, how to invest. Don't just tell them, well, buy Bitcoin. Well, at 95k to buy Bitcoin, I don't think it's a good idea. And they don't have patience like us to wait 4 years, even if they buy here. Wait 4 years to push higher. They'll panic sell. They'll do stupid things. So why you mention to them? You know they'll get hurt. Okay, so here, short reload zone. I could see a NAM forming here, but overall it's kind of going sideways. I prefer Bitcoin going sideways, but for a trade on Bitcoin, I don't like to short. I have the hedges more than enough. But here is not a good area for me to long either. That's my problem. I'm not able to long here. I could think AB equals CD here. It's good enough? Well, kind of. I'll stay out. I'll tell you what I'll do here. I'll just stay out. Let's go on 4-hour chart. Let's see. Maybe we see a different picture. No. Clear rejection here. Clear rejection from this big M on 4-hour chart. So we'll play Fib Pong most probably. So prepare for a Fib Pong game here on the weekend, or maybe even next week. Now let's see what we have on altcoins. Some of them. Yeah, this is working. No new trade. This one is still consolidating. Ace is pushing higher, but no setup. M here. Ooh, ugly. Ievo completed the AB equals CD. 50 cents is behaving like a resistance. I have a damn good bag on this one. But spot, I don't want to play leverage with it. Alt, almost everything did the same, and they are looking a bit tired on 4-hour chart. No? This is Bitcoin, this is Doge, still in the trade, but it's not doing anything. It's just lagging. Well, too bad. This one will go back down at my fucking level, and I'll buy it, probably. Dimension, you can see. Well, here we have two ways. Either will come back down in the long reload zone, consolidate and straight push higher, or here we can create kind of a bot setup, AB equals CD. You can see the AB. We just need W's here in this area to think CD. Yeah? It's a difference between Brian bot and my AB equals CD setup. A big difference. Yeah? So when I'm saying AB equals CD, I'm saying W below 33% and above 66. Just give me a W on 4-hour chart. Morning, Christian. Ethereum, well, on lower time frame looks a bit tired. Here we have some yams, but it's normal in an uptrend to have corrections. So what I see on 5-50 minute chart, it looks like a downtrend. It's just a correction in the big one. And you can see good level to buy. We bought here and we are still okay to think higher. Simple as that, people. Simple as that. I had a scalp, a day trade with Holy Grail. I made nice money. I closed that one. I still have this one. I said it yesterday. FET. Well, I was hunting here for a long. We didn't manage to get an entry. Motherfuckers pushed without us. Well, now I don't want an entry. Now I want to see it here at 1.5, consolidate on 1 hour or something, give me a double, and then I could think. This is a breakout here. Look left, this is a breakout at least here. And you can see here, this is like a cup on handle, aggressive one. Or Olga and Steve. Yeah? Adam or even Adam here. It's not Adam and Eve. Well, this is Eve and this is Adam. Retest here, make a small W here, and okay, we're ready to go. But I think this is Olga and Steve. If you TRI know what I'm referring to, Brian jokes and things like that. But you can see double bottom here, big one, and this is the cup on handle kind of concept. Okay, target for this one was reached here. Target for this one still needs to go higher, but with a proper retest. Okay, so well, I'll wait. I'll wait for a market to consolidate, and then I'll take the next uptrend if I'll see one. Phantom, well, has some yams here. Pushed really nice higher. Well, okay, but has an yam. We had some bearish divergence already on the indicators in this move higher. Buy the rumor, sell the news kind of idea. No, let's just let it consolidate and then we talk about it. Gold is promising something, but you can see it's still promising. I don't have a setup on 4-hour chart. I'm still waiting for my W, the other side of this trend line or trend channel or whatever you want to call it. ING is promising and is doing stuff, but I don't have an entry. That's my problem with that one. Manta, well, you can see stepping higher. Nothing to complain, but Well, you can see he's trying to tell us something here. Maybe we should wait a little bit. Don't chase here. Just maybe. Not. Well, he's still trying to form a bottom here. Kind of similar. Well, cup and handle something, but no, not ready yet. And I don't like the time frame here. I need to either zoom out, either zoom in and try to find the trade. Osmo, we are in a trade, breakout, retest. Now maybe a trend line breakout, who knows. You should be a risk-free here. If you took this trade, you should be risk-free. If you closed 1-to-1 and keep your stop loss here, then you are safe. If you said, well, I'll move my stop to scratch, you are out. And you should wait for a W the other side of this trend line. Okay? So we can trade, we can hunt again. Just give me a W the other side of the trend line. This market could do something ugly. That's why we are waiting for a complete W the other side. Why? Market could do what, okay? Tagging. Like this. Kissing that trend line. And then do something like this. That's why we are waiting for a W the other side of the trend line. Because this is possible and even probable market to go the other side of the trend line and keep kissing it and tagging it all the way down. Until you'll see a W, you stay the fuck out. Simple as that. You are here to make money or you are here to have a trade in the market? Answer yourself to that question. PITE, AB equals CD. Almost completed. It's a target to take your profit, not an entry. So I don't think I have to say it again. If you want to chase, this one is strong, but you can see it's ugly to trade. You can take Holy Grail on 1 hour, 50-minute chart. Saga completed our target. Nice job. Made some money. Let's wait for the next setup. Sorry. Saga is kind of still in a range. So either we'll break out and then we'll retest and then we'll know, well, let's buy it. It has a clear breakout from the range and is retesting. Either we should wait for the market to reject here, go back down at the bottom of the range, make a fucking W, and we repeat the process here. So 2 ways I see on this one. And neither one is at the market. Either you wait for the market to push higher and then retest the range, yeah, take the resistance, make it a support and test that one. So that's the strongest scenario. Or we are still consolidating here. We are waiting for the bottom of the range, waiting for a fucking W, take that one like we did here, and play this game again. It's hard. Here to find a trade, well, some people say, well, we are at the top of the range and we'll short. Good luck with that. I'm not saying it's not working. I'm saying it's not working to do that on 2024 in a bullish environment. So that's why I'm not even thinking to short. I'm not even looking at the short ideas. Even if I have a range, I will not short the top. I told you, I change shorting the top with hoping for a breakout and a retest, or if the market is not strong, we'll come back down, make a W. Secret we talked about. AB, CD, it's topping out here. Bearish divergence already. Just leave it alone to cool off a little bit. See where we'll start consolidating and forming new W's. Huh? It's a bit late to chase it here. Solana. Well, we have an M top. We have a retest. On 4-hour chart, we started a downtrend. It's a real downtrend? I don't think so. I think it's just a correction on higher time frame on daily. Needs to consolidate, cool off a little bit, start making new W's on 4-hour or daily chart, and then start again. But in this consolidation, a lot of people will lose a lot of money. Why? They are trying to anticipate a breakout. And they all play just against the market. Good luck with that. Tao. Motherfucker. Finally I managed to get an entry on this one and make some money. Hopefully I'll make some money. I took this one, I made money, and then I try to trade on a lower time frame. I'll show you immediately. TIA, we are still in the trade. No? Let's see. 50-minute chart. We are still in the fucking trade. Hopefully. I didn't saw anything on Binance, so I should have the... Yeah, we are still there. Now, let's go back on 4-hour chart. We discussed this one. It's damn close to a breakout. So, even if it's Friday, I think we can push higher. And Ripple. Why the fuck I have Ripple here? Anyway. Just... Ripple is Ripple. I'm not chasing here, that's for sure. Now, let's take some requests. And let's see what we have. So, Stefan is saying good morning. Is that the ticker, Stefan? No. Deep Soul says good morning. Well, has to be a ticker from some altcoin. I see it too often. Jamie says Aptos 4 hour, 1 hour. It's like a box. Well, I'll look. I'm 4 hour Aptos on Futures, okay? What do you want me to do here on 4 hour chart? What do you want me to do here on 4 hour chart? Why you want me to do something or to tell you something here? It's just consolidating below the short reversal. Could do an AB equals CD here. A bot setup, yep. I have a reason to take this trade? No, I don't like it. I could see an AB equals CD here. Come on. Okay. AB. CD is pointing out here. If you take a trade here and you put your stop loss below, you have a 2 to 1. I think you have 2.5. You can take this trade if you really want, but I prefer not to. 1 hour. Consolidation. Well, I don't have any business to take a trade when the market is staying here. No business. Sorry. Now, let's look at 4 hour chart. Let's see what we have. Say, Manoj, say what time frame, please. Well, join us and you'll see. I'm blabbing away every day about the weekly W's. I just explained about that. Well, Hania says, good morning, Stefan. A new ticker. We have good morning, Stefan. Well, I cannot find it on TradingView. I'm joking. So, Manoj, tell me the time frame you want. Let's see. Sand. The same. People. Ticker and the time frame. Yeah. Well, I have a clear one. BNB 4 hour chart. Let's do that. But BNB 4 hour chart. Well, if you are saying 4 hour chart, yeah, let's take futures market. Let's start with daily. What is happening here? What is that? You can see the all-time high from 2021. You can see the fake out here from fake out or a real breakout. Well, this is not valid anymore. Well, on lower time frame here, we are on daily. On lower time frame, you can find a trade and you can think uptrend channel. You want 1 hour or lower 4 hour chart, holy grail, maybe you can do something. 4 hour chart here, nothing I can do. Just not my style. 4 hour chart, I have resistance above. Well, I'm in the short reload zone here. Yeah? So you can see we consolidated, we broke down, and now we are retesting that one, but from underside. So I don't want to be long here. I'm not okay with a short. You know why? I'll prefer the market to push above the all-time high, then come back down and retest as a support that level. Simple as that. If you want 1 hour, okay, 1 hour time frame. Let's Let's just put this one. 1 hour time frame. You can wait for something like this to happen again. Let me hide I don't need the background anymore in this environment. Okay, so look at this one. Entry, entry, consolidating, pushing higher, stop you out. For an uptrend to come in, you need to see the holy grail starting pushing again. On 50-minute chart, you already have probably like, yeah, you can see on 50-minute chart, you are talking day trading here. We have an uptrend channel forming. Yeah. Is the best? No. We are in the short reload zone from this one, kind of 50%, 61.8 here. I bet this is 61.8 from this drop. Can you bet with me? Let's see. There you go. So I'm not taking trades here. So I don't see an opportunity there for the moment. Let's watch the market and maybe we'll get something. Everything looks kind of mushy-washy. Altcoins look like, well, we'll consolidate if we'll not drop. Let's just say that on lower time frame. Okay, let's see another one. Sand on 4-hour chart. Let's do 4-hour chart on sand. But when you say 4-hour chart, at least I know what to look for. Sand, daily chart. Okay, daily I could go on a spot. Okay, what we should do on this one here? We should not do anything. We should stay the fuck out on daily. Why? It's looking okay-ish. Huh? Breaking out, nice OBV, nice everything. That's daily. Let's see weekly, just to have an idea. Well, looking the same. But if we go on 4-hour chart, I'll show you something. So either you think AB equals CD, which is okay-ish. Yeah? AB equals CD, so you have the AB and you'll have the CD here. So take the last swing, this one. Huh? Take this one. And think, let's put both one. Okay, yeah, you can see below 33, above 66. So I could think about an AB equals CD move here. Take this W and leave with the results. If this one will fail, then you should think, if this W will fail and will not be an AB equals CD, AB equals CD here gives you a really nice opportunity for a high risk to reward. But if this one will fail, you should expect the entire range long reload zone. Okay, so let's put a long reload zone. Let's look left now. Okay, let's look left. Let's zoom out on daily. Maybe we can see better support and resistance level. You think we have a chance here to retest this level and make a new W here? I think so. The trade here was at these lows. Now, usually is not a good idea to chase here. You'll get punished. So, on daily, I could see this level. If I go on 4-hour chart, I could see the same. It's a good level to think about long. Here, aggressive, I said AB equals CD. And I'll show you why I'm thinking AB equals CD. The win rate will not be big because you can, but the risk to reward is nice. Okay, that's the target for an AB equals CD move. You have the W here. You just go and take that trade, long position. You are at entry, stop loss at the lows. Come on, okay, and your target is here. Well, 8-1. I could take that trade. But in the same time, be sure that you know or you understand that the win rate on this kind of thinking here in the no man's land is low. It's compensated by the high risk to reward. So 8-1, I could fail 3 times, 4 times, and then to get this trade, and I'll still make money, and a lot of money. 8-1 is damn nice risk to reward. So if you are that kind of trader, take that trade there. If you are not that kind of trader, wait for market to come back down here, form a W, and then you can take it. Okay? Simple as that. Well, people, if you are throwing requests one after each other at me, I'll just select a couple of them. Okay? I know it's easy to write a ticker, no? Well, I have to take Shogun. It's impossible for me just to not take Shogun request. And Shogun, I have here 5 50-minute chart. Well, I have a template exactly for you. What is the ticker? Okay, let's see what we have. Shogun says we have an entry. Yeah, it's valid. At least it's valid with Holy Grail on 50-minute chart. Shogun, you know that. Yeah? We had an entry here. We have an entry here. We are below the entry. It's a valid entry with Holy Grail. You can see higher highs and higher lows. Kind of deep consolidation here. If the market is still bullish and altcoins will push, this one will do also a really nice job. Okay, so you have an entry here. You know the drill, Shogun. Holy Grail could give you 4 or 5 stop losses in a row. You don't care because when you get the big one, you get 10R, 15, 20R. Let's go back here. So that's my thinking here. Take it or leave it. It's up to you. I'm not a financial advisor. I could tell you what I'll do in your case, or I'll do with my own money if I want a trade on sand. Okay. Hania says NMR on weekly. Of course, Hania. Cannot say no to Hania. Well, Hania, you already know what I'll say. Big range, I like it. Nice location here, nice W's here. Kind of $17, $16. It's a good area to buy here. It's not as easy as on the rest, Hania. Why? Well, just because this W it's uglier than the rest. But in this area it's still buyable. If we'll zoom out, well, let's zoom out. The high is $100, you are at 20, 5R. This coin is still kind of old. I don't know the reward here, Hania. I don't get the reward here. It's not as high as on the rest, but looks buyable here in this range. If you buy $20 and you'll sell $40 at the top of the range and you'll get a free position, you can be happy with that, Hania? I think you can. Location wise, from the all-time low to the last high here, you have a location. You are forming the W at 78.6. You know the drill. Yeah, W at 78.6 is the best. So yeah, Hania, you are thinking in the right direction. Probably bullish divergence all over the place. Yeah, nice. But weekly investment, dollar cost average, little old lady, you can see this level is for that. Yeah, nice thinking there, Hania. Yeah, I know. Even if you are not a little old lady, you love little old lady. Like that. Well, some people don't have time, all of us, to stay here and trade 50-minute charts. So Hania has her job, her thing, and because loves the market, will trade a higher time frame. Will buy, set the sell half on a double and forget about it. And sometimes she'll get nice surprises. Love it, Hania. Okay, let's see Arbitrum, Jonty. Arbitrum, update on what? What time frame, Jonty? Jupiter Aptos on 4-hour chart. Well, Jupiter is like kind of stable coin, but we can take a look. Jupiter, where are you? 4-hour chart. Well, I have to go on daily and I have to zoom out. Well, it's consolidating here. January is pretty close and they'll do another giveaway. Maybe that keeps the chart on the same spot. I don't know. It's like a stable coin, people. I had nice hopes for this one. And, you know, it's just a stable coin. Will explode at some point in time? Probably. I don't see anything here. Yeah, we can think this one a continuation and we can do the same step higher. Yeah. I'll take it. No. It's just a range for me. It's just ugly. I don't enjoy things like that. There are better trades to take here in this market. Sorry. Sui. Okay, I heard Sui too many times. Let's take that one. Perpetual. 1 hour, 4 hour chart. What is that? Well, I didn't chart Sui on daily from a long time ago. Let's do that. What do you want me to do here? Remove drawings. That's better. Start with weekly, just to have an overview. Even better. Okay, consolidation, breakout, retest, classic, what I was speaking about earlier. And AB equals CD at the target now. You can see the target of AB equals CD is completed here on weekly. Or almost completed. Yeah, AB, CD, completed. That's the target. It's not an entry. And let's go on daily. What we have here? Well, kind of a aiming pattern here, consolidating here, maybe retesting of this level, it's possible. So definitely on higher time frame, I'm not inclined to take an entry there. Okay, but maybe I'm too high. Let's go on 4 hour chart. On 4 hour chart, if I'll zoom out, I have some yams, I have breakdowns, I have bearish retest here. That's not bullish. What I should do here? That's not bullish. Why? I have the yam here, yam top, breakdown, bearish retest, maybe. There you go. So, no. 1 hour. No. I don't see anything special about this one here in this area. I'll take any trade here. This is no touch zone for me. Where I'm lower than short reload zone, so I cannot short. I don't have a setup for long, so I'll just leave it alone. And just my 2 cents. Maybe you are smarter than me. Maybe you have a different approach and you have, I don't know, a nice setup and it will work. I don't know. I have just my stupid trader tools kind of idea. Well, sweet, good fundamentals. You can see that on the chart, on weekly chart. Like I said, Hania. Let's put weekly here. Let's look on proper template. Sweet spot. Okay. Good fundamentals, good everything. You can see here I have some ink. AB equals D is completed. We are not allowed to chase. We should buy it at $2 when we'll come back. If we'll come back. Or a touch of 61.8, which is close to that level. Look at that monthly W's. Good fundamentals, good chart, but we should not chase at $3. We should wait for something like this. To the moon. Okay? To the moon. Huh? Chasing here, it's asking for trouble. Could push all the way up? Okay, do it. Without me, I don't want to participate. For me to participate and put my money there, I need to see that. This is a monthly W, really bullish, really strong, but it's too high for me. I'll put the monthly. And now you can see it. Okay, monthly W, well, that's what I wanted for a target. If I have monthly W's, what I could put here? Someone could tell me what target I could put here. On this big fucking W. How was? There you go. So, Hania, on this one, if you have a bag, this is my targets. Here is, I will not sell anything at 5, but I could start selling 10% at 8. I could sell more at 15. And then I could sell even more at 29. with a monthly W, pretty strong and clear house levels. Yeah. Yeah, I guess you have a bag. And not from here, not from $3. If you will put me to guess, I think from 1.5 here in this area, you bought some. $1, it's your entry. I guess so. Okay, so that's my thinking here on monthly, on weekly. On here is too high to chase. Just not the case. Let's go back on daily. Okay. So, no, I'm not chasing here. Well, it's basic stuff, honey. I know you know, and I know when you should put your limit orders. Okay, have a bag. Well, too many requests, people. I'm just one guy. Let's take one more. Phantom on 4-hour RSI is good. Well, RSI is good on 4-hour chart on many things. Let's take another one, the last one. Let me find. One new. I didn't saw it too many times. I don't know if it's good or bad. And that's the last one, people. Sorry, there are just too many of them. No. Weekly. Well, classic. Classic. Look at this. Look at this. How nice it is and how nice is waiting for you. Already did yesterday. If you had a limit order there, as some people are guessing, well, we'll come back. Well, look at this one. Now, if we'll come back again to the entry, I don't know. Possible. If Bitcoin will drop, it's more than possible. Weekly W. 13 cents. We are at 16. Could push higher. Yeah, we have some resistance here. So we can do something like this. Here you can see the resistance. Look left. So market to push here. Come back down here. And then moon. Where is the moon? Something like that. That's the buying level for weekly chart. For daily chart, is too high to chase here. Similar. So you can see here on daily. I'll delete this one. On daily here, you cannot chase. You should do something like this. Draw a fib. Do something like reload zone, and you can see reload zone is deeper here. Or if the market is really strong, you can take pump chaser zone. Well, hello. If you come back down here, form a W, then you can think about a continuation. AB equals CD. I already did that, Shogun. On 15-minute chart. You said about that. I think you missed it. Or you want me to look now at that one? Yeah, let's see. What it's doing. There you go. That's the chart. W's, AB equals CD, entry with Holy Grail. You are at entry. Okay. That being said, people, what we have? 40 minutes? I think we have more than that. 50 minutes. That being said, let's call it a live stream. I need to trade. To pay the bills. To feed the kids. I'm a trader, I have to trade. I cannot stay the entire day here taking requests. Yeah, it's London session. I should be there scalping, trading, fighting on my Binance account. Yeah? I love to stay and give you my 2 cents. I love to hear myself and tell you my approach in what I see in the market, but that doesn't pay the bills. Trading does. 300k Ethereum, pray for me. No, I'll not pray for you. If you do stupid things, you deserve your fate. If you want to learn, join us and I'll teach you risk management. Okay? Without risk management, you're just a gambler. Imagine yourself pulling the lever. Let's see what comes out. That's the perfect recipe for the perfect disaster, Jamie. Yeah? Perfect recipe for the perfect disaster. It's up to you. You want to come now to learn how to trade and take it seriously, or you want to lose some money, a lot more money, and then to come to pay $990 to stay 4 months with us and learn how to trade. Totally up to you. But what you are saying there sounds like a moon boy expression. I don't like that. I'm not upset. No, I'm used to see a lot of people doing stupid stuff. I know that 90% of the people are doing stupid stuff. If I manage to save 1 or 2 is more than enough for me. And you can see people around crypto traders arena behaving differently. And I love that. Like Hania is saying, go and feed the kids, Paul. Yeah, so I'll feed the kids. I will feed my kids first, and then if I could do something else. Okay, so it's 1 hour almost. See you guys Sunday in the weekly crypto review. We are close to 100 episode. In the end of the year, we'll have the 100 episode. We are still consistent and will be consistent until the plan is fucking completed. Nice times to be alive. Just be damn sure that you have a plan, and a good one. And a plan that is not on paper is not a plan. Okay, enough blabbing away. See you guys next time. Bye bye.